Okay, so this morning I'm going to show you how to start a fire just with some simple cotton buds and some ash from your fire. You can use any type of ash, you can use cigarette ash as long as it's ash and not charcoal, and I'll show you how to do it. So all you do first is you get your cotton bud and you unravel it and just flatten it out a little bit like this, and that's all you got to do. Then all you do is you flatten out your cotton wool like this, you get a bit of ash and you just sprinkle ash on the cotton wool. That's about all you need, you don't need too much. And then you simply just roll it up. Not too tight, but just roll it up. So you're left with your cotton bud and your ash, and it's just rolled up like that. Then all you do is you get a block of wood and you very lightly just roll it into shape. You start putting a bit of pressure on it, and that's what you end up with. Just like a little bud rolled up. It's a little bit tight, and now it's ready to start making a fire. We'll show you how to get a spark. And once you got that ready, you got your little cotton bud rolled up with a bit of ash, you get your chopping board, or whatever you use, a bit of flat timber. This is just an old chopping board out of my boat. You place it on it, place another flat bit of timber on top. Now if you haven't got this in the bush, of course you haven't, you've got to get a bit of a log, get your knife and smooth it out so you've got two smooth surfaces, and then all you do is start rubbing back and forward. Now I don't know whether you can see it, there's a tiny little puff of smoke coming out of that. So all you got to do is get your tinder, which I just got some dead grass, place it inside, and there we go, there it is, there's your flame. And that's how you start a fire, with cotton wool and ash.